Hello everyone, you welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on how to make one of the most popular street food in PortHarcourt, Nigeria. We're going to be making Bole. To begin with, I'll be using half-ripe plantain. I'll be using fish. You can use any fish of your choice. I have some bell peppers, some fresh Scotch bonnet peppers, having salt, onions, have my garlic and bullion cube, have my spices, I have my vegetable oil for marination, and I also have my barbecue sauce. I want to add a little twist to the regular. Alright, so I'll go ahead and prep my fish by removing all the bones by the side. After cutting my fish and trimming all the bone, I'll set it aside. Go ahead and blend my peppers, onions, adding salt, garlic, bouillon cube, and vegetable oil. I'm adding vegetable oil because this is a marinade I'm making to properly marinate my fish and plantain. Guys, I want to, like I said, add a little twist and make it more tasty and very delicious than the one that you buy on the street. Okay. Before marinating my fish, I'll go ahead and dab it with kitchen napkin to remove water so that when I go ahead and add my marinade, it will stir and soak into the fish properly and the fish will be well seasoned. So after cleaning my fish with my kitchen napkin, I give it incision to make the marinade to settle in properly. After giving incision, I'll go ahead and apply my marinade to my fish. Before adding my marinade, it depends on the quantity of salt you add to your marinade. It's good to just drizzle in a little salt on your fish so that this fish is going to come out very tasty. But you have to be very careful on how you season your fish so that it won't come out salty. It will be a whole lot of mess if your food is coming out salty. So you'll be careful on the salt. You can see that I'm just drizzling just a little because I know the quantity I already put in my marinade. So at this point, I'll go ahead and apply my marinade on my fish. This marinade already contains all the spices and seasoning, everything I need for this fish to come out tasting so super delicious. If you watch this video till this very time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. It's actually free, guys. And please click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Also comment. You can also share my videos. Also try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. I use my brush to press in the marinade into the incision and every open part of the fish so that the fish will taste well when it comes out. So guys, I go ahead and peel my plantain. I'm using half ripe plantain. It's actually half ripe plantain that comes out very nice when doing your boile. You can as well use unripe plantain. It depends on your preference. So I use half ripe plantain here. Sometimes you can also use ripe plantain. Like I said, it depends on your preference. I also give some incision on my plantain. This is to make it come out tasting very nice. I sprinkle a little salt, just a little salt. Be careful of your salt when seasoning your food. After sprinkling my salt to my plantain, I go ahead and rub that same marinade I used in seasoning my fish on my plantain. Like I said, I want to make this more super delicious than the ones that you have on the street. This is homemade boile. So I season my plantain properly. I'm going to put this in the oven and grill. I'll be grilling mine in the oven, guys. So while my fish and plantain is grilled in the oven, I go ahead and prepare my pepper sauce. What I'm using here is palm oil. I did not bleach this palm oil. Just make your saucepans to be hot and go in with your palm oil, add in your blended pepper and onions. If you want, you can also add a little tomatoes, but it's actually optional. Pepper and onions, salt, and a little bouillon cube is fine for this pepper sauce. And guys, I have my boile ready. This food is the most popular food in PortHarcourt. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, try this recipe, and let me know in the comment section. You can as well also let me know what food you would like me to do in my next video. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.